Right, here he has to find the zeros and the multiplicities. Since it's a cubic, the only way we know how to do this is to group factor. So I'm going to factor out an x squared out of each of those, leaving me with x plus 17. I'll factor a negative 1 out of that, leaving me with x plus 17. So when I factor this, it'll be an x plus 17 and then an x squared minus 1. This is a difference of squares, so I can factor that to x minus 1, x plus 1. So when they ask for the zeros, one of them is a negative 17 with a multiplicity of 1. And then this one will be a positive 1, multiplicity of 1. And this one will be a negative 1 with a multiplicity of 1. If they wanted to graph that, at negative 17 something happens, at 1 and at negative 1. The y-intercept is negative 17 down here somewhere. So the graph, since it's a cubic, is like this. So it'll go up, come down, and go back up. Something like that.